Thank you for a nice discussion. We understand that creating new services, especially using open data, it will increase drastically the use of the cloud computing. And you know, we Lithuanians sometimes feel a little complex that Estonians all the time are in front of us. So on this case, we would like to show that sometimes we also could be smart. And based on this our discussion, we immediately create a new service. So please, Augustas Alešiūnas, bring this Lithuanian so-called nose. This nose, we would like to give a present as a present to Mr. President of Estonia, and it doesn't mean that this nose will allow us Lithuanians to be inside of the IT affairs of the Estonians, but it will allow us, if the data, of course, will be put on the cloud computing, really you, your family, or your friends are using fresh meat and fish when you are going to the restaurant. And we will be glad if you will share this information with us.
Dear Mr. President, from the side of Lithuania, it's a great honor for me today to present you the unique and the first in the world electronic nose for households in everyday use. And this device detects all kinds of different levels of freshness for meat, poultry, and fish. So whenever you go to the shop or to the supermarket or the market, you can know exactly immediately, is it good for you to eat or better to throw it away? And let me show you quickly how does it work, if it's possible. So can I take it? Yeah, thank you. The electronic nose is connected to the smartphone, to the app, and it inhales different type of gas to itself. Please, could you turn it on? Yesterday we bought some chicken, so it should be like average level of freshness. And let's try to do that. I just need to press on the app that this is the chicken. Yeah. It inhales now, right now. It's doing something. And if you inhales, then the app, like trying to do some kind of average calculations. It takes a couple of seconds, and immediately you can know the recommendation and the possibility to get sick or to have a nice meal for you immediately. So now it shows, you see, three. It says that it's average and you can eat it, but you can eat it at your own risk. So, yeah. So it's one more time, it's a great honor that today we will present you the prototype of the electronic nose, and we will give you a certificate that you will be the first person in the world who will receive international shipment, and it should be in the next January. So thank you very much and be safe. And this is also like complimentary to use it in the kitchen if you like, you know, do some steak.
But please promise that you will share with us this information, what kind of meat you are eating.
Thank you. Super.